Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the first two spoilers for the January 2019 Boxycharm box. The first spoiler is a variation of 3 different palettes, and the second spoiler is by Tasha. Well, first of all, I want to mention my December giveaway. If you're interested in getting in for this giveaway, I am giving away the Jeffree Star Alien palette to one person, and another subscriber will win the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. These are 2 gorgeous palettes. The Jeffree Star palette is a cool tone palette. It is sold out. And the Natasha Denona is a warm tone sunset palette. To be eligible to win these 2 items, please look over the rules below. First, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and also you need to make comments under all my videos starting with November 30th through December 31st, and you'll be eligible to win. So let's get into these spoilers. The first spoiler is a palette from Tarte. It's going to be one of the Rainforest of the Sea palettes. This first palette is a pink metallic outside, and it has 8 sunset inspired shades. All these palettes are formulated with coconut and vitamin E. And the Sizzle palette has 3 mattes and 5 metallic shades. With these shades you can get that golden hour glow, they call it. The second palette from Tarte is the Rainforest of the Sea limited edition eyeshadow palette. It's got 8 velvety shades for an everyday eye looks. It's got a purple outside, and it features new creamy powder formula shades that are never drying or chalky. These shades are a mix of liner, lid, crease, and highlight shades. It's got a mix of matte and metallics to contour your eyes. The last palette is a beautiful baby blue palette with these darker triangles. This one is the Rainforest of the Sea limited edition highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume 3. It's vegan, cruelty-free eyeshadow palette with the best-selling creamy powder formula and 8 lid-lifting highlighting shades. They say no primer needed with these metallics. It's like a one swipe and you get high intense metallic formula. It's got 1 matte beige luster shade and 7 micro shimmers. These are 3 beautiful palettes. You'll get one of these. The next spoiler is from Tasha. It's called the Luminous Dewy Skin Sheet Mask, and actually I've done a review on these sheet masks already. I will link the video above. It's a silky soft silk fitting sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink of ultra hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow in just one use. It's the solution for dryness, dull and uneven texture, fine lines and wrinkles. And Joseph said we would get 2 of these in our box. These are 2 great January spoilers to start our box off with. Happy holidays to everyone. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe and share my video to other people. It really helps me out. And until I see you again, bye.